Folks, crypto may see a pump tomorrow as Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has hinted that Donald Trump, after 1 day of tariffs, is wanting to sign some kind of trade pact with Canada and Mexico right after Canada instituted reciprocal tariffs and Mexico said they were going to institute reciprocal tariffs over the weekend. China obviously instituted reciprocal tariffs, but we've always been antagonistic with China, so that really doesn't matter all that much. As long as the tariffs are either rescinded or compromised, I do think crypto will actually go up. Now, I think Donald Trump saw the damage that it was doing to U.S. markets, and pretty much all the economists saying we're going into recession if this continues, so basically it sort of forced his hand. Now, he probably wants to be able to declare victory. It'll be kind of a hollow one because they're probably just going to re-sign the exact same trade agreements that they actually came off of, much like last time. He did these tariff wars in his last administration where nothing really changed. But if he signs a new shiny agreement, he's going to declare victory. They're going to declare victory too on the other side, and hopefully this will be over. However, right before this, he did threaten even more tariffs on Canada after they instituted reciprocal tariffs, but they would have just responded with even more tariffs. And he saw that the economy of the United States was going down as well because of these tariffs, so he probably changed his mind. But even if he does sign a compromise, I would be very careful because Trump is pretty unstable. And 2 days later, he could be like, you know what? I changed my mind. We're doing tariffs again. The problem with this strategy of always making people guess is that it increases uncertainty by a lot. And if you do this, it's very bad for risk on assets for crypto and stocks. When people are so uncertain that what their leader is going to do and what the market conditions are going to be, they tend to sell out on assets like cryptos and stocks, and they tend to go into bonds, money market, and other safer investments that really aren't affected by a tweet or something. A tweet or like some hint on what he's going to do for tariffs. Especially since the interest rates are pretty high right now, around 4%. There's a lot of people that are just going like, you know what, I don't want to deal with this garbage. I'm just going to go into money market or bonds. And that will get me a 4 to 5% return rate where I don't really have to care about what Trump tweets every other day. And obviously that hurts both the stock market and the crypto market because that means money is leaving those risk on markets and going into risk off markets. I do also think that gold is going to be purchased a lot more and silver. So you might want to look at that as long as the uncertainty continues because people actually do see those as hedges and reserve assets rather than risk on assets where they're trying to make a lot of money. So I do believe that crypto may pump tomorrow because of this, but even if it does, I would be very careful, and I'm not too optimistic about the long-term outlook because of the uncertainty that the White House can introduce at any one given time, because he is kind of unstable and he could change his mind like he did the other day when he said, like, you know what, we're going to delay tariffs for a month. Oh, never mind. We're going to institute them on March 4th. So this is very, very difficult for people to guess actually what's going on. And people in the market do not like uncertainty. They want to know what's going on at any one given time. So that's my analysis of the market right now. Yes, if we stay below 91K, eventually we'll form a death cross because the 200 SMA is about 81K. I think like the 50 SMA is still like 96K or something like that. So if we stay above the 91, below the 91 region, we eventually will get a death cross. But that's generally a lagging indicator, and that's not something we have to talk about right now. So the technicals I don't think are looking great. The macros aren't looking great. And the economic optimism and uncertainty is not looking great at all because there is a wild card that's making decisions right now and could actually tank the market with one tweet. But that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.